In 2015, a deadly earthquake shook Nepal. It claimed 9,000 lives, left more than 800,000 homeless. However, in the last 6 years, Nepal took the challenge head-on with the assistance from the Indian government. Hundreds and thousands of these destructed houses were then reconstructed. WION's Nepal correspondent Saloni Murarka brings you this next report from the Gorkha district, which was the epicenter of this deadly earthquake. Have a look.
It has been 6 years since the earthquake jolted Nepal. In view of the gravity of the devastation, the Indian government supported construction of 50,000 houses in Gorkha and Nuwakot districts of Nepal. The houses in these regions are structurally fragile and prone to collapsing or to sustaining heavy structural damage, making them unfit for habitation in the wake of a tremor of the magnitude of the 2015 Gorkha earthquake. The Nepal Housing Reconstruction Project was implemented with India's assistance, focused on inclusive recovery and reconstruction. After most disasters, vulnerable sections of the population such as the disabled, landless and socially excluded groups were not in a position to recover as quickly. Measures adopted in Nepal's reconstruction, such as additional financial assistance to the most vulnerable and securing land ownership for the landless, were the key to inclusive recovery.
When the earthquake struck, I used to live at somebody else's house and didn't have any place to live in. Later, we shifted to this house. The Indian government provided funds for the construction of the house and the land. I was granted 5 lakh rupees and I bought the land for 2 lakh. And the construction of the house cost me 3 lakh. We are 4 members in the house and just a few months back, we shifted here.
The project also focused on owner-driven reconstruction. All the damaged houses were reconstructed keeping owners' interests at the top, which ensured full ownership of the new houses. With the adoption of the retrofitting techniques, earthquake-resilient buildings were constructed using locally available material. It was found that in Gorkha, many house owners are reluctant to trade their old damaged house for new construction that, while earthquake safe, was perhaps smaller and lacking the culture or design appeal that they cherished. To many, retrofitting is a more appealing option when looking into making their existing homes safe. The houses are constructed as per regulations laid out by the Nepal government that requires houses to be earthquake resilient.
Now I have a house where I can safely live in. Now there is no fear to do daily activities because of the retrofitting technique provided by the Indian government. The officials here have helped us a lot to put together the house. I have my emotional attachment with the house. This was made by my father and he is no more. Due to this technique, I did not have to demolish the house. This house is warmer than the other houses in winters. This house has an old and traditional design and I am happy that I was able to preserve this. I did not want to demolish it. This retrofitting helped me preserve my house as it is.
Along with this project, the Indian government has been implementing many more development projects in various districts of Nepal, covering all major sectors. The ties between the two countries continue to grow even after the border dispute that had turned into political irritant.
India is the foremost development partner of Nepal, and we're happy to honor the commitment we made to the government of Nepal and the people of Nepal with regard to reconstruction, and we will continue to work with the government and people of Nepal in carrying out various projects that contribute to the development of local communities, to the development of the country and to stronger bilateral relations.
Gorkha district was one of the epicenters in 2015 earthquake, and it is limping back to normalcy after the Indian government decided to fund the construction of the 50,000 houses in 2 districts including Gorkha. This was a project which was undertaken by the UNDP. There are few factors which makes this project a little different than any other project. First, this was a project, the construction work which was led by women. Second, the authorities have focused on the retrofitting, which is earthquake resistant houses. And of course, when we look at the time span, Gorkha has come a long way, but there's still a lot more to be done for the district. Saloni Murarka for WION World is One in Gorkha, Nepal.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.